Level up ang home living ngayong buwan sa Addessa and Panasonic Appliance Expo na kasalukuyang ginaganap sa Activity Center ng Marquee Mall hanggang September 17. Ang event na ito ay resulta ng partnership ng Addessa Corporation and Panasonic Philippines na layong ipakita ang mga latest innovations sa home appliances para sa mas smarter at energy-efficient lifestyle.
This event, we chose to partner with Panasonic because we share the same value to promote wellness, health, and community. Now for the Appliance Expo, it is highlighting products that encourages you to live better. With the products of Panasonic that features technology such as freshness in refrigerators, eco solutions, energy efficiency in their washing machine, refrigerators, and conditioners. And we even have solar panels here. We even have beauty products. It's a total solution for the home actually. We decided to partner with Panasonic because it's a full lineup that will encourage people to live better.
Sa Expo, makikita ang wide selection ng Panasonic appliances na may smart technology, energy-saving features, at modern stylish designs na swak sa bawat tahanan.
So yun, umpisa is we're only the Japanese brand for the Philippines. And also, Panasonic is 58 years na po siya. So, sobrang matibay po talaga, durability niya, reliability, so okay na okay po tayo. And also, we give freshness and hygiene for our foods. And also, yung mga warranty po natin, longer tayo. 12 years po yung warranty natin sa compressor. So, talaga pong reliable siya, hindi po siya agad na may sira. So, punta po kayo dito so para masilip niyo po yung mga new products po namin, mas lower na discount.
Bukod sa product showcase, may exclusive discounts sa piling appliances at exciting raffle prizes na pwedeng mapanalunan ng mga shoppers. Kabilang na ang 80 flat screen TVs, isang iPad A16 at iba pang sorpresa. Perfect ito para sa mga naghahanap ng sulit at modernong appliances na hindi lang functional kundi bagay din sa design goals ng kanilang bahay. Huwag palampasin ang chance na ito. Visit Addessa and Panasonic Appliance Expo at i-experience ang future of smart living ngayon na. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.